So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing unable to sign in to your account for PlayStation Network, please again later. If you guys facing this problem in your Fortnite, so guys watch this video till end because I'm showing in this video why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, if you facing this problem in your Fortnite today, so guys you have to watch this graph. The red line is at the up. It means today Fortnite servers is down right now, and you are not only one. Many people facing this error problem in Fortnite today. So guys, because this is the server issue, so guys, the Fortnite game team working on fixing the servers of the Fortnite, and it may take some minute or an hour, and the Fortnite servers will be automatically fixed by the Fortnite team. So guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour because the Fortnite team working on fixing these servers, and it may take some minute or an hour. So this problem is automatically fixed by the Fortnite team, and if you guys having any other problem in the Fortnite, you can comment me and I will try to solve your problem. I hope guys you understand what I'm saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.